Hello guys, what's going on? Today I'm gonna be reviewing my Bissell Rewind SmartClean. So, let's get started. So as you can see, the reason why it is called the Bissell Rewind SmartClean, for one, it of course has the core rewind, which I'll demonstrate in a little bit. And it's called the SmartClean because of the clean carpet sensor, which means when your carpet is dirty, this red light will come on, and when your carpet is clean, this green light will come on. You can see it demonstrates that right here. It says the clean carpet sensor lights up green when your carpet is clean. It also shows right here, know when your carpet and filters are clean with the clean filter indicator and clean carpet sensor. Red to green means clean. And this right here is your clean filter indicator. So this will turn red when your vacuum is low on suction, or you have a clog, or your filter is super dirty, it needs to be cleaned. So it has a washable filter, which will save you money. For replacement filters, you just gotta wash it instead of replacing it. So that's really cool. It has the height adjustments right here at the bottom. For carpet, you will have it on higher settings, and for bare floor, you'll have it on the lower settings. It has 12 amps for maximum cleaning power. It has a 15-inch wide path with dual edge cleaning. It has a little extension wand with a long crevice tool. Just slides in there like that. You just put it back on there. It has a stretch hose. It has this upholstery brush right here, along with this brushless side, which can be used for sucking up pet hair. You can just twist this and it'll turn, so the suction will come out this way now. So that's really cool. So you can switch it. You can use it as a regular dusting brush, or you could put it in upholstery mode. And right here is the cord rewind. You just pull the cord out like so. And once you get to the yellow mark, you want to slow down on how much you're pulling the cord out. And once you realize you've got to the red mark, you want to instantly stop pulling on the cord, or else you will damage it. So see how the yellow mark just came out? We want to slow down. Now we're going to pull the rest of it out very slowly. And see, here's the red mark, so we don't want to pull it out no more. In fact, you want to just press the button a little bit, just retract it just a little. That way you're not going to damage the cord. Now when you're done with the cord, you just press the button again, and the cord will retract. Now sometimes it'll get tangled. You just got to untangle it, and it should retract. So sometimes that'll happen. It's a pain in the butt. Oh. See? Now the cord is retracted again. See, this is a Bissell model 58F8-3 made on the 189th day of 2011. Uses Style 9 belts and Style 9 filters. HEPA filters. The premotor filters are Style 16. And speaking of that, let's check out the dirt cup. So you just turn this counterclockwise, that comes out. Here's a dirt cup, it's relatively clean. There's your full mark. You can pause to read that. Inside here is your filter. You have your outer foam filter and your actual filter. You can just wash that in the sink when it gets dirty. Just twist on there like that. And here's your pre-motor filter. This keeps the motor from getting dirty, from all that dirt. Up here you have a little cyclone piece. You can also wash this out. Goes back in, twisting it clockwise, and boom. Put all this back in. You just twist it clockwise and it locks in place. Make sure this is in. It also has a little filter right in here, which I believe is the HEPA filter. So then you have a turbo brush right up here. So I'm gonna show you the brush roll next. Here is the brush roll. It's probably gonna be really hard to see, but this is the brush roll. Here. Let me put it in the light so you can see it better. Hopefully. Right here is your brush roll. You can see it's in really good shape. It's really clean because I keep it nice and clean. It's also got a headlight. The headlight works just fine. So I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna demonstrate how well it works and how well it cleans. And right here's your power switch, and also you'll see this green light come on. Very well, in my opinion. It's actually a really cool vacuum. Has really strong suction. And you can see the brush roll through that little window there. That's really cool. So yeah, this is my Bissell Rewind SmartClean. I hope you enjoyed the review. Maybe if you have one of these vacuums yourself, feel free to let me know in the comments what you think of it. What are your thoughts on this vacuum? Let me know. I personally think this vacuum is very cool. Even though it does have its issues, but it's still a very cool and fancy vacuum. I've always wanted one of these and now I have one, so. For fun measures, I'll demonstrate the turbo brush. I'll show you how it works really fast. Okay, let's put the turbo brush on like that, and then you turn the vacuum on. You can see that works well. It also, it spins really well, works really well. It's a very good turbo brush. Useful for couches, getting pet hair off, along with that upholstery tool. So that is a turbo brush. I'm sorry if I can't talk well, but yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that little demo of the turbo brush. It just goes back up here like so. Make sure it goes in those grooves, and boom, you got your turbo brush back in place. Now we just put the hose back on. And just like that, the machine is now in upright mode again. So again, you can use these attachments for, you know, reaching, you know, up high. I'll show you what that looks like really fast. Just take your attachments off, take your hose, and as you can see, you can reach pretty far with this. Like I could reach all the way up to my ceiling, you know, far places. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Considering it has a stretch hose, that shorter extension one is not that big of a deal. I personally don't mind. But it's a very nice vacuum. It works really well, and you know, I like it. It's really fancy. I love the cord rewind. And again, when you're done with the vacuum, you just unplug it and you can retract the cord. Like I demonstrated earlier, you just press the button. Just press this button right here, this blue button, and it retracts the cord. Just gotta make sure it's not tangled, and it will retract it for you. Boom. And your dirt cup. You can see this is everything we just picked up, so I'm gonna empty that. You can see, based on all that it picked up, it's a pretty powerful machine. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video of the Bissell Rewind SmartClean review, and have an awesome rest of your day, everyone, and I will talk to you later.